Hello kids, welcome back to another session. In today's session, we will do the solution of this page, okay? B row we already did in class, A row we will do right now. Now, 46, 40 here, 6 here, why? Because this is ones, this is tens. This is ones and this is tens. Then minus 2. No beads for minus 2, so minus 5 plus 3, formula of minus 2. Then minus 5. No beads. So minus 10 plus 5. Then minus 7. Then minus 6. No beads. So minus 10 plus 4. My answer is 26. Wherever I am having no beads for that number, no, we are applying the formula of that number. Okay. Next question. 39 minus 5. Again minus 5. No beads for minus 5. So minus 10 plus 5. Then minus 7. Minus 7. Wait. Minus 7. Then minus 3. No beads for minus 3 anywhere. So minus 10 plus 7. Formula of minus 3. Okay. My answer is 19. Next. 63 minus 9. No beads for minus 9. So minus 10 plus 1. Okay. Then minus 1, minus 2, minus 8. No beads for minus 8 also. So formula of minus 8 is minus 10 and plus 2. But see, formula of minus 8 is minus 10 plus 2. But here, look, do we have beads for minus 10? I have 50 here. No beads for minus 10 also. So further applying the formula of minus 10, that is minus 50 plus 40. Okay. First I will do this. Okay. When I will do this minus 50 plus 40, my minus 10 will be done. Because right now what is happening that I am not having any beads for minus 10. So that's why I am applying this formula no, of minus 50 plus 40. That means when I will apply minus 50 plus 40, my minus 10 will be done. What will be left then? Plus 2. Okay. So first I have to do minus 10 for which I don't have beads. So my formula is minus 50 plus 40 and then plus 2. My answer is 43. Okay. In this concept, okay, many of you might get confused. That's why I have explained it clearly. Next, 79 minus 8 minus 2. No beads for minus 2. So minus 10 plus 8. Then minus 9. Then minus 1. No beads for minus 1. So minus 10 and plus 9. Only for those numbers you will apply the formula for which you are not having beads. For the numbers you already have beads, why we will apply the formula then? We will just directly continue with the question, no? Last one. 92 minus 4. No beads for minus 4, so minus 10 plus 6. Again minus 6. It's in the question, okay? That minus 6 was of the formula. Now again minus 6. So formula minus 10 plus 4. And then minus 4. Again formula minus 5 plus 4. My answer is 72. I hope it's clear, guys, okay? If you still have any doubts in any of the question A row, B row, let me know in the comments. Okay, I'll get back to you. Now, I'll see you in the next class. Bye-bye.